I picked up this door lock for only $4.99 in a hardware shop. $4.99 New Zealand. I thought $4.99 worth of fun. It's a Millenium lock, Millenium door lock, and I'm suspecting that this lock is easy to get into, and that's why it was so cheap. And so I have opened this, and I was able to get into it quite easily. And someone at my level, I'm really a novice lock picker, and I was still able to get into it quite easily. So I'll just take it out of its packaging. It's got all the stuff here for to set up in your door if you need a new lock for your home. The keys. I would not recommend this lock. Instructions, I'm going to put all that aside. Okay, so it locks and turns and unlocks. You can turn both ways to unlock. And that goes on the inside of the door, and on the outside of the door we have the key. If we lock it, we can't unlock it. If we put in the key, we can turn it this way and it unlocks, or we can turn it this way and it unlocks. Okay. Okay, remember with rocking, you don't want to go in and out fast. You just want to rock backwards and forwards until like a seesaw. But I'm going to go in at different depths slowly. I'm not going to go backwards and forwards fast because I don't want the city rake to damage any pins. So here I go, slight tension. And it's open that quickly. So when rocking works, it can work very quickly, much quicker than single pin picking. I'm going to just turn it back just to make sure there's no overset pin sitting up there, because this lock seems to keep them up there unless I manually turn the other way. Okay, I've got type of wormy rake where I'll be raking in and out faster and up and down and all sorts of angles. That's the way I rake, and I'll be pulsating this this tension as well. So okay, get this in here. Okay, so that hasn't worked. I'll see if I can turn it the other way. Okay, I'm going to try my Medusa. I'm going to try the raking part. And the lock's open. Going to reset any overset pins. Don't think there were any. Okay. The next thing I want to try with my pick is a zipping technique where I'm going to lift up and out at the same time, and I'll have like very light tension, but as I'm zipping I'm going to suddenly increase the tension and see if I can catch the pins at the right level. So I'm going to feel around to where I think the last pin is. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to get ready to lift up and out. And there you go, it worked first time. Make sure there's no overset pins. I'm going to try that again because that was just so fast. Just want to make sure that it just wasn't a fluke. Okay, so I'm about where the last pin might be. I'm going to press up and out and then suddenly increase the tension. Didn't work that time. Didn't work that time. And the lock's open. So zipping technique is quite easy with this lock, and it's safe to do zipping with my pick that's very shallow, because I'm not going to damage the pins. If I had a very tall or deep hook, then that would damage the pins if I would go fast over the pins, and it might damage my pick as well, but this low one's quite safe to do. Okay, the last method is to try single pin picking, but with these other methods, especially the zipping technique for this lock, why would I want a single pin pick? I could rock this lock, could rake it, I could zip it, but I'm just going to feel for maybe the back pin. Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Just going to get a bit of protection for my finger, because especially these southwards, they're quite thin, and people online say you do build up calluses after a while, but this is like my removable callus, and it's open already. So for a novice like me to be able to pick a lock this fast, it's not very secure at all, and I wouldn't buy this lock to secure my valuables. I'd stay right away. The giveaway was that it was only $4.99 New Zealand. In New Zealand, that's incredibly cheap, and it's worth spending the extra money if you're interested in security.